Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Unity Hub's installation aborted error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand uninstall. Delete Unity Technologies Hub key. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.